Hey, so this is a Zoom recorder, and this is a tunnel, and I'm going to use this to record the tunnel and turn it into some pretty cool reverb. I was down south for a couple of days looking after my sister's dog while she was away, and she recommended that I check out this train underpass. Just sort of this hollowed out little tunnel underneath the train line. I didn't bring a tripod, so it's going to be difficult to put the recorder down. Okay, that's really sketchy. I'm really hoping I don't lose my $600 Zoom recorder right now. This method of using samples to make reverbs is usually called impulse responses or convolutions, and it's really you just put in a sample, put in a sound, and it will take the attack of that sound and cut that off, and then everything after that just puts it on any instrument, any audio that you run through it. It's kind of just magic, but it really imbues it with that sense of space and makes it sound like you were actually there. That's a really nice decay, actually. That's a really nice space. And I took my recorder down there, and the reverb was genuinely impressive. There's just probably a little bit too much water going through. It kind of tampered with the sound a little bit, but it was interesting because I did end up actually recording some of that and using that. And the way that reacts inside the convolution reverb is kind of insane. It's just this really long ambient delay, almost like that microcosm guitar pedal. It's a really strange sound. That was sort of cool because I wasn't expecting to find that, and I just kind of stumbled across it. So overall, I think I would maybe go back and record that space again without the water. So maybe in the middle of summer, go down there when it's all sort of dried out and try and capture that again and just get that clean reverb. But I'm pretty excited with what I got. And I mean, the interesting thing would be to use it in music now.